Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best power screwdriver in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is BLACK+DECKER 4V MAX Cordless Screwdriver with bit storage. If you have been looking for a screwdriver, it's perfect to handle the situation at home improvements, then look no further than the BLACK+DECKER Plus 4V MAX Screwdriver bit memory. This electric cordless screwdriver is compact, lightweight and comfortable for your pocket, and you can easily carry along with tasks. It also has a quiet operation that is ideal for users at work with less noise. It has a maximum 180 revolutions per minute, RPM, which is considered sufficiently small for more chores around the house. This small cordless screwdriver works with a 4V the lithium-ion battery, which maintains a load of 18 months and has a lower download speed, makes stays even between jobs loaded. You can also have some of the best screwdrivers on our list, so take a moment, check out and choose the right ones for your collection. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dewalt DCF680N2 Gyroscopic Power Screwdriver. May not be due to the popularity of the manual screwdrivers, many note that it only actually met a tool the function of a screwdriver, and in many cases it is more convenient, because productivity makes it very difficult for consistency to achieve drill with a screwdriver. Ideal for home jobs, the DCF680N2 Gyroscopic Screwdriver easily works with a variety of materials, including wood, plastic and metal light meter. With the inclusion of a gyroscopic plate design that can occupy any position required, while the direction of the axis of the tool, not even when rotated or tilted, is affected. The gyroscope allows for greater speed and control over a large range of motion. For easy handling and use, the screwdriver is with a pivoting handle. It is made possible to have a firm grip while working and the handle position open from two sides of the tool. The Dewalt DCF680N2 uses an 8-volt battery. You can, over long periods of use of another's interest activated by the movement of the speed control, can generate a rich rate 430 RPM. Number 3. Our third best pick is BLACK+DECKER 4V MAX Cordless Screwdriver with LED lights. Every house needs this simple but powerful cordless screwdriver that can help around the house, such as fixing, executing small works of a cabinet, change, drill a light switch or a hole by hand. The BLACK+DECKER Plus 4V MAX Cordless Screwdriver fits this description perfectly with its compact size and moderate power. It is solidly built and has a max battery operated by a 3.6 volts lithium-ion, which can produce 35 pounds and 180 RPM torque, allows for quick and easy removal of the screws even in confined space. The built-in battery is capable of a load of up retention set 18 months, a battery indicator on the screwdriver on screen the state of charge. This cordless screwdriver also has a rotary where you can store all your bits of cartridge. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Dremel Go01 Powered Cordless Electric Screwdriver. Although the Dremel Go01 wireless powered cordless screwdriver is the first foray of the company in the cordless screwdriver market, all of the laws and changes that make this product popular among users. The Dremel Go is a cordless screwdriver that comes with a USB charger that enables quick and convenient charging. It is based primarily on electricity and cost savings because they do not have to keep pitching batteries periodically. Its design includes a thin handle, to reach the depths of the tool easily grasped. Dremel has a torque 44 pounds and 360 RPM, which is perfect for daily tasks. Another innovative feature is that a screwdriver can be used in forward or reverse direction, simply by a switch on the right side flipping her hand. It also makes a useful gift DIY enthusiast in your life. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is SKIL 4V Pivot Grip Rechargeable Cordless Screwdriver. Ideal for use in home and small carpentry work, the SKIL 4V Pivot Grip is a powerful cordless screwdriver, has a strong grip and you have too difficult access to reach places. Manufactured by SKIL the production company, this cordless screwdriver is perfect for household tasks such as the installation of wood, the hinges fixing and installing shelves. Coming with a powerful motor, which is operated by a battery-incorporated use 1300 mAh lithium-ion battery offers more. SKIL Pivot Grip illuminates the work area with super bright LED lights that work longer at night. Its design is straight with a standard handle that can be adjusted to meet your business needs. Great power during operation is 8 is torque to be able to 3.5 nanometers. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.